Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Ishani Rajakarna. Today I am going to show you how to use Moxa sticks. Actually, Moxibustion is a kind of heat therapy that we use with Chinese acupuncture. This is the Moxa stick we are going to use, and this Moxa stick is made from a plant. We call that mugwort plant. The scientific name is Artemisia vulgaris. In China, they grow this plant in a huge fields and harvest them and dry them up. Then they grind them properly and sieve. After that, they get a woolly type substance. You can see here, this is the Moxa wool. This Moxa wool is the most basic primary Moxibustion substance that used for Moxibustion. These Moxa sticks are made from these Moxa wool. Before conducting Moxibustion treatment, you should take the consent from the patient and expose the area that you are going to do Moxibustion, because we are using fire, so it may burn the clothes or it may damage something. So you should check the patient properly, as well as there would be sensitive skin also. You should check them properly. Before starting Moxibustion, you should have a glass of water. If there is any emergency, you can use this glass of water, and a candle or matchboxes or a lighter. And you should have an ashtray. This ashtray should be heat or fireproof. Normally we use ceramic bowl for as the ashtray. This is a piece of Moxa stick, and I have already used this. Now it's extinguished. You can see the surface is blackish. Now I am going to burn the Moxa stick. I use the candle to ignite the Moxa stick. You see this surface, now it is blackish. This surface should be properly burned, properly reddish. And this take much time to burn this surface properly. I think you can see this surrounding surface is reddish, but the inside is still blackish. So it's not burned properly. So we should apply this flame again and again to burn this surface properly. You see, still the inside area is blackish. So again we should apply the flame. It's not easy to burn this surface, so we should apply the flame again and again. I think now our Moxa stick is ready for the treatment. Now I am going to show you how to apply this Moxa stick. Before using this Moxa stick, you should remove all the substances which get fire easily. If there is alcohol or surgical spit or some clothes, wool clothes and cotton wool, you should remove them away. Okay. There are several techniques these techniques depend on the area where you are going to apply this Moxibustion. If there is ash, you can remove this ash like this. Okay, I use my hand to demonstrate you. If I have a pain or tenderness here, I can apply Moxibustion like this. Moxa Stick, hold in Moxa Stick like this. The distance between the skin and Moxa Stick should be about 1 to 2 inch. That's enough. Now I feel the heat, and you can keep the Moxa Stick for several seconds and take it away. Again, keep the Moxa Stick like this and take it away. Actually, this time depends upon the threshold also. Some people can feel the heat very easily, and some can bear the heat. Normally, we apply this Moxa Stick about 5 to 10 minutes. That time also can be vary according to the patient and the intensity of the pain and tenderness. It can be vary, but normally we apply 5 to 10 minutes. This technique, keep the Moxa Stick like this and take it away. Keep the Moxa Stick like this and take it away. This technique is called as sparrow feeding or sparrow picking method. You know sparrows, but how they feed themselves is keep the beak and take it off. Keep the beak and take it off. Like that, we hold the Moxa Stick like this and take it off. Keep the Moxa Stick like this and take it off. This technique, we use this technique for a pointed area. If the location is much smaller, we can apply this technique. If I have a pain in here, I have pain along this area, then the technique we use is linear method. We move the Moxa Stick as lines. We call this linear method. Okay. And if I have a pain in this area, this is a huge area. So then we can apply the Moxa Stick in circular movements. See? Circular movements. This is circular method. So you can use any of these techniques according to the area that you are going to apply Moxibustion. If there is ash, you can remove them. After doing the Moxibustion treatment, you should extinguish this Moxa Stick. So what you should do is keep the Moxa Stick like this, the burning end in here, and rub it properly. Then oxygen can't reach the burning area and the fire will extinguish. But this procedure also take much time. It's not easy to even extinguish it. Then the surrounding part we can rub like this. And again I am twisting this like this. Still there is a little bit smoke, and again I am rubbing. extinguished. I can touch this surface, but this surface is still hot. And when you are holding the Moxa stick, you should hold the Moxa stick like this. Hold properly and smoothly, not like this or hold very loosely. That's not good. You should hold this properly and strongly. Okay. There's another method to extinguish this burning surface. You saw that method that I show you. It take much time. So if you don't have much time, you can cut this end by using a scissor and put that end into a glass of water. And if you have severe emergency and you don't have a scissor and you don't have much time to extinguish it, then what's the technique you should do is put your Moxa stick inside the glass of water. But this technique damages the Moxa stick. Okay. Finally, when you are disposing this ash, you should check properly and make sure there is no ignited ash inside this. Otherwise, it will damage your room also. Okay. I think you got an idea about how to do Moxibustion by using Moxa stick. And if you have any problem, comment me, and thank you very much. Ayuvan.